The ROG Crosshair X870E Dark Hero. Let's talk about it and who it's for. A premium gaming CPU like the AMD Ryzen 7 9850X3D makes sure that your high-end graphics card isn't held back from giving you chart-topping FPS, and the Dark Hero is the perfect fit for that CPU. Armed with a massive power solution, it'll give you steady performance over the long term. Want more performance out of your DDR5 memory kit? This motherboard's got your back. From hardware innovations to easy-to-use BIOS features, the Dark Hero helps you get the most out of your RAM. Maybe you've got a small stack of M.2 SSDs left over from a previous build. Dark Hero put those to work with 5 onboard M.2 slots. A special heatsink for the primary slot will keep your premium PCIe 5.0 SSD at comfortable operating temperatures even during sustained workloads. Thanks to an optimized PCIe layout, you can enjoy the full bandwidth of the first PCIe 5.0 x16 slot and 2 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots simultaneously, allowing you to rapidly expand your gaming library without compromising graphics card performance. You'll have plenty of tools for building out a full battle station, fast Wi-Fi, dual Ethernet, and loads of USB ports. With the right case, you can also set up a convenient USB port for recharging your smartphone. You can even install our latest cable-free AIO CPU liquid coolers. Just attach the pump and it's all connected with no visible cables. Fans, display, everything. The Dark Hero makes it incredibly easy to build a PC through tool-free installation of M.2 drives and heat sinks, an easy-to-reach physical button to release your graphics card from the slot, effortless troubleshooting tools, pre-installed Wi-Fi drivers, and more. A major reason why PC builders trust ROG motherboards is the rich toolkit of features in our UEFI. The new Essentials mode provides quick access to key information and commonly used overclocking settings, giving most users a one-stop shop for setting up their PC. Advanced mode remains for when you need to get a little more granular control. With the Dark Hero's premium visual touches, you'll want to install it in a case with plenty of glass. Featuring a smoldering black aesthetic with premium metallic textures, nickel-plated surfaces, sleek contours, and eye-catching lighting effects, this is a motherboard that you're going to want to show off. Loaded with premium features, decked in classic gaming style, and built for unbridled performance, the ROG Crosshair X870E Dark Hero is your new premium pick for an ATX gaming motherboard. Get one of your own, get building, and get gaming, and you'll see why ROG is leading the pack.